everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend request on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here go to Friends option. Then tap on Requests option. Now click on the right sign of the person that you wanna accept friend request. So that is how you can accept friend request on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.